Today we are comparing Clawdbot and Manus. So two powerful AI automation tools built for completely different types of users. So which one is actually worth your time and money? Let's break it down. So Clawdbot here, it's an AI automation platform designed for people who want AI agents that can actually execute tasks across tools, workflows, and systems. Like think of it like automating repetitive business tasks, connecting apps, or building AI workflows, or creating task-based automations without heavy coding. Whereas Manus here, it's more of an autonomous AI agent experience. So instead of giving step-by-step workflows, it you give it like high-level goals and it attempts to complete the entire task for you. For example, like research competitors, make a report, or build a strategy. And the advantages of using these Clawdbot is that it has a faster for structured automation, it has better for repeatable workflows, and have easy integration with tools and systems. It's best for agencies, startup, or creators. Okay, and Manus here, it's actually extremely ambitious AI agent. It has the capabilities, it can handle multiple step reasoning tasks, it feels like more autonomous, and it's better for research heavy or exploratory work. It's best for advanced AI users, research people, and also experimentations. But on the downside here, the cloud board has the less wow factor, like it has more workflow focused than fully autonomous, and you still need to design the process completely. And Manus also has some downside. It can be inconsistent, it's more experimental, and it has less predictable output. Sometimes it overcomplicates with simple tasks as well. So if you're a creator or a solo entrepreneur, you just can simply go with Cloudbot because reliability beats hype when you're trying to save time and scale output. But if you like run a business or an agency, still Cloudbout might be a smarter choice because you want automation that's repeatable, controllable, and easy to integrate into operations. So this will be better. But if you're an AI enthusiast or power user, Manus is more exciting because it pushes the boundaries of autonomous AI agents and shows where AI is heading next. So Cloudbot helps you automate work and Manus tries to overcome or try to become the worker.